Hello everyone, welcome to this here Christmassy special. You join us with the wonderful Cortina. It is a Cortina Christmas crisis, however. And how did we get there? Why are we sat in this car park in the middle of the night in Southport, hundreds of miles away from home? We'll find out, but first it starts on the train. How brutal that looks. We get the fake clouds and the fake sky. You can also unplug these if you want to ruin everybody's day. Apparently our train's going to be very bad because it's got 3 coaches. I want at least 16 coaches. There isn't any plugs. We just have dust instead. In the late 60s, Ford started development on the new Mark III Cortina. This car would be produced in higher numbers than the previous 2 Cortinas thanks to the merger of Ford of Britain and Ford of Germany, creating the modern day Ford of Europe. TC refers to the convergence of the German Taunus and British Cortina platforms, hence the car's internal name TC1. The design language of the Cortina was based on the contemporary Coke bottle design language, which emanated from Detroit, adding a twist of Americana to a British icon. Between 1970 and 1976, 1.2 million of these Mark III Cortinas were produced. The trim levels for the Mark III in Europe were the base, the L, which stands for luxury, the XL for extra luxury, GT for Grand Touring, and the GXL for Grand Extra Luxury. Our car is an L, the luxury version. We have a 4-speed manual box and a 1600 TL16H high compression version of the Pinto engine with a single overhead cam producing 69 brake horsepower. HBN 380N was manufactured in Dagenham in December 1974 and registered the following year in Bolton. It was a demonstrator car and was then bought by a local man who kept it running right up until this year. The car was then hidden away from sight in a lockup for around 11 years, only being taken out to blow off the cobwebs a few times a year. It's truly a special car in its Olympic blue paint colour and is a survivor, a rare find all these years later, and we're going to get it going again. The thing I love about these cars, and the cars we do cover on this channel, is when the ordinary becomes the extraordinary. Things like the Festival of the Unexceptional and this brilliant YouTube car community and internet car community really all coming together to support these amazingly ordinary cars. And that for me is something incredibly special and why I absolutely love these old cars. Of course, when we arrived, we were greeted by the wonderful, the stunning, the beautiful Rover 75. This model is a W-Reg Cowley car in Moonstone Green, and it was truly an amazing coincidence to see this wonderful thing pull up at the train station. Our salvation by Rover was short-lived, however, as just after we sent the money, this happens. One sec, I'd stop.
Leaking out, is it?
No, not yet.
No, we just heard something ping.
It doesn't work. It's a record, mate. It doesn't work. Hooray! Little point.
Oh, it's got easy start in there, idiot.
Oh yeah, fuck me. Nice. Start the fire. Easy start shouldn't start fire. That is worrying me. That thingamabob, that fuel line there. I'm gonna see if we can get that sorted out. But she's not firing at all now, and it's probably a spark issue because it won't even start on easy start. So, bottle of it. Nah, I think it'd be alright.
Will they have spark plugs for it at that garage?
Yeah, they should do. They
You could get it trailered.
It's not necessarily spark plugs. It could be the points. It could be distributed. It could be anything.
Yay!
Yeah, the steering feels accurate. It's just like fucking.
Heavy.
Yeah, it's a bit weird because I haven't ever used one of these weird steering wheels before in my fucking life. So, oh, the brakes just went there. It's back. She's back. Yeah. Oh my god, man! I'm driving a Ford Cortina. Just let me through.
You do not want to stall it because it might not be able to get back on. He seems well laughing, bless him. Did you see him?
Yeah, I know. I'm not though. I need to get going. Mate. Sit rep. So far, the steering wheel's on completely the wrong way. It's driving all right. The brakes are fine. Everything's fine. Of course, we've had this checked beforehand, but we're going to be having it checked again at a garage, which is where we're driving now. But gosh, damn, this bonnet is huge. Take a look at that bonnet. It's absolutely massive. And obviously, you've got the everybody is literally perked up. But I cannot believe this bloody wheel's on wrong. This is ridiculous. Basically, what's happened, I think, is it's had a really, really crappy respray. Not as crap as in the paint quality is crap, because the paint quality is actually really good. It's just the guy that was taking it apart clearly didn't know what he was on about, which obviously makes me a bit worried.
Couldn't be asked to take it.
Yeah,
apart.
basically couldn't be bothered to take it apart or put it back together properly. It does pull to one end a little bit when you're driving it. When you put your foot on the brakes. But other than that though, oh my god, I can't believe it. Also the belts, we've checked those and they all look fine. And I've been assured by someone that the belts have been changed, so that is great. Other than that though, it's absolutely amazing. I mean, beats the bus, eh? Beats the train, eh? Gosh, I'm loving it. It's up to temperature, we've got half a tank of fuel in it, and in the current climate, half a tank of fuel's not half bad, is it? It is gorgeous, but I'm still angry with it because it doesn't. Yeah, it looks like it's dropped a bit, but other than that, it's all right. I'm pretty pleased with it. While the car was being checked over by the wonderful people at Station Garage, we went out and got a single jacket potato, and Katie had absolutely nothing because she's vegan. All right, done it. For what it is.
Is that a big patch over there?
Oh yeah, I know, I've seen that, and there's a bit No, that's not even that bad actually for me. Oh, is it that bit there? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's not... It's to be expected, isn't it? It's like, it's older than me. It's twice my age, so it's like... But it looks alright. It's had new... The lines look new. Are these new? I mean, that caliper's definitely new, that one obviously.
That caliper's been replaced.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have said that's new. It's not, I wouldn't have said it was the original.
Yeah.
One, but,
Cool. There's a bit of leak in there between that and that, but that's... Thank you to Cortina City for posting the video about the design flaw with these carburetors. Thanks to that, we took the zip tie off that was installed and put a proper Jubilee clip on and averted possible fire disaster. A few minutes down the road, however, disaster strikes. We should have paid these guys to check our electrics, but we damn well didn't. Someone now found this wish in the engine bay. I wish for this Cortina to start and actually do something. And the car failed. That's gone really. We are broken. We are broken down. So I've called the AA. We can't get a square post battery anywhere. We've called all over the place. This was obviously supposed to be a bit more cheery. At least we've got the car there, eh? So obviously the AA are going to come. If they don't have a square post battery, we're going to get recovered, and I might end up being sentenced to a Nissan Qashqai, which might be probably the worst thing to happen on anybody's Christmas Eve ever. Obviously that's a joke. So we are kind of a bit screwed at this point, but the car is beautiful. Everybody is absolutely besotted with it. We've had about 5 people come up to us. We've had like the 3 people try and help us bump it off. It's incredible. So Southport, great, good place, love it here. But we're currently stuck, and I don't like being stuck. So first Ford experience, eh? It's not going very well. Your first Ford and you break down. Rovers have done this to me like several times. So, and Fiats. So here we are, and we are waiting for the AA. So you will join us if we're either on the back of a recovery truck and I'm driving some awful modern car back, or we're driving the car back. So I will see you when I see you. So that's it, boys and girls and everybody. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You need to clink our fries together. We're on the phone to the AA. We're stuck. Merry Christmas. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, and remember to subscribe for more of this here content. So here we are, guys. We're stuck in a car park because the alternator and battery have conked out both at the same time, which is absolutely brilliant. So thank you for watching. Keep watching. Happy Christmas, happy holidays, and see you in the new year. Cheers, guys.